In this video, I will guide you step by step how you can watch free movies on YouTube on your mobile device. Now, if you didn't know, you can watch free movies and full versions of movies on YouTube. Now, what we can do is we can simply click on YouTube here, and once we open it up, go to the search icon, and then you want to search for free movies. From here, once you do this, as you can see, you will now see an option for free primetime movies. If you click on this, you will be able to see all of the available ones that are free. And as you can see, if you scroll down, it will say free primetime movies with ads. And all you need to do is click on here and you can watch any of the available movies on this list as long as you watch ads on the movie, right? So there is a lot of good ones on here. There is a lot of high profile movies as well. And as you can see, you can go through and you can watch any of these that are available on the YouTube app. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.